नमस्कार, नमस्ते, नमस्कारमुलु, नमस्काರಂಗಳು, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಸತ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಕಾಲ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. Welcome to the 13th episode of Round 1 Tarangini 2020, the online music competition for every age from any Indian language. This program is brought to you by Natomas Group and is telecast on Swara Radio and Natomas Facebook page. Natomas Group is a premier Indian community group which hosts many cultural events throughout the year like Dashara, Batkamma, Nrityanjali, Bollywood Hangama, Meet and Greet, and sports competitions through Sport Fest. Like our Natomas Facebook page and you'll stay connected with all the latest events. The grand finale for Tarangini 2020 is starting on May 11th. Now, we are in season 1, telecasting the 13th episode and the category is adults. Our first contestant, Preeti Rondla, is singing a Telugu song from movie Pelli Choopulu. The song is originally sung by Amrita Varshini and the lyricist is Shrestha. The music by Vivek Sagar. The song goes Chinuku Taake, when the raindrops touch.
చినుకు తాకే చడిలో చిగురు తొడిగే చెలిమే విరిసే హరివిల్లులే ఎదుట నిలిచే నిజమే కలలు పంచే తీరే చెలికి చిరునవ్వులే మునుపు కనుగొనని ఆనందమేదో కలిగే నాలోన ఈ వేళనే ఎగసి ఉప్పొంగే ఊహల్లో మునిగి ఉన్నాలే పలకరించే ఆసే పరవశాన్ని పెంచే చిలిపి కేరింతలా కలవరింతే తరిమి పరుగులెత్తే మనసే ఒడిసి పట్టేదేలా నాలోనే తాగి నిదురించు నన్నే తట్టి లేపింది నీవే సుమా ఇంత అందంగా లోకాన్ని నేడే చూస్తున్నా నేనేనా ఇది అంటూ అనిపించినా అవునవును నేనే మరి కాదా చిత్రంగా నాకేనే కనిపించినా కవ్వించి చిత్రాన్నయ్యాగా నా దారినే మళ్ళించిన తుళ్ళింతలా వరదలా పాదాలనే నడిపించిన రహదారి వయ్యావేలా నేరుగా సరాసరి నీలా మారగా మరి మరి తీరుగా పలకరించే ఆసే పరవశాన్ని పెంచే చిలిపి కేరింతలా కళవరింతే తరిమి పరుగులెత్తే మనసే ఒడిసి పట్టేదిలా నాలోనే తాగి నిదురించు నన్నే తట్టి లేపింది నీవే సుమా ఇంత అందంగా లోకాన్ని నేడే చూస్తున్నా.
Thank you, Preeti. Now, let's invite our second contestant, Vipin Goyal, who is singing a Hindi song sung by versatile Kishore Kumar Da. Ye Jeevan Hai, from the movie Piya Ka Ghar of 1972. The music is by Lakshmikant Pyarelal ji and lyrics none other than Anand Bakshi. The song is about the realities of life, very well spun into a song. Take a listen.
ये जीवन है इस जीवन का यही है यही है यही है रंग रूप ये जीवन यही है, यही है, यही है रंग रूप, थोड़े गम हैं, थोड़ी खुशियाँ, थोड़े गम हैं, थोड़ी खुशियाँ, यही है, यही है, यही है छाँव धूप, ये जीवन है। ये न सोचो इसमें अपनी हार है कि जीत है, ये न सोचो इसमें अपनी हार है कि जीत है, उसे अपना लो जो भी जीवन की रीत है। ये जिद छोड़ो, यूं ना तोड़ो, हर पल एक दर्पण है, ये जीवन है। इस जीवन का यही है, यही है, यही है रंग रूप, ये जीवन है। धन से न दुनिया से, घर से न द्वार से, धन से न दुनिया से, घर से न द्वार से, सांसों की डोर बंधी है प्रीतम के प्यार से। दुनिया छोटे पर ना टूटे, ये ऐसा बंधन है, ये जीवन है। इस जीवन का यही है, यही है, यही है रंग रूप, थोड़े गम हैं, थोड़ी खुशियाँ, यही है, यही है, यही है छाँव धूप, ये जीवन है।
Thank you, Vipin. This movie is directed by Basu Chatterjee, who is a versatile director, and you would love his collection of movies. If anybody interested to watch some old Hindi movies and thinking where to begin, where to start, how do I do, just search for Basu Chatterjee movies and you will not be disappointed. He picks up social dilemmas and he weaves them into great masterpieces which can be watched together with families. That's a little bit about the movie Piya Ka Ghar and similar movies if you're interested. Now, our third contestant, Vishwanathan Subramanian, is singing a super hit Hindi song, Pyar Deewana Hota Hai, from classic blockbuster film Kati Patan, sung in the golden voice of Kishore Kumar and music by legendary R.D. Burman Saab.
प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। दीवाना होता है मस्ताना होता है हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है प्यार दीवाना होता है मस्ताना होता है हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा मेरी तरह जल जाएगा यहाँ नहीं आ क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा मेरी तरह जल जाएगा यहाँ नहीं आ वो नहीं सुनता उसको जल जाना होता है हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है प्यार दीवाना होता है मस्ताना होता है हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है
Thank you, Vishwanathan, for the feel good song. Let's welcome our fourth contestant, Priya Paladugu, who is singing another melodious Telugu song from the movie Santosham. Music director R.P. Patnaik and singer Usha, who made Nee Tolisariga an all-time hit.
నీ తొలిసారిగా కలగన్నది నిన్నే కదా నా కళ్ళెదురుగా నిలుచున్నది నువ్వే కదా స్వప్నమానో సత్యమో పేచి చెప్పవే ప్రియతమా మౌనమో మధురగానమో తనని అడగవే హృదయమా ఇంతలో చేరువై అంతలో దూరమై అందమా నీ తొలిసారిగా కలగన్నది నిన్నే కదా నా కళ్ళెదురుగా నిలుచున్నది నువ్వే కదా పంచుకో నీవు ఇంత చెలగాటమా చెప్పుకో నీవు తప్పుకో నీవు నీకు ఇది న్యాయమా తీరులో ప్రణయమా తీరులో ప్రణయమా పంతమా నీ ఆటేమిటో ఏనాటికి ఆపవు కదా నీ పాటేమిటో ఏ జంటకి చూపవు కదా.
Thank you, Priya, for the song. Okay, I just want to share my thought from bottom of my heart that all of the participants have sung amazingly and have put in their effort and have shown their passion. Now keep singing this. I think appreciation comes by very hard nowadays in this day and age. I don't know why, but I really want to take this moment to say to each one of the contestants that you are doing amazing work and pursuing your passion. And many of the adult singers almost sound like playback singers. I don't know if anybody has heard about the Kabir Das ke dohe, in which it says हिरन अपने ही नाभि में सुगंध रख के पूरा जंगल ढूंढता है. So I feel that in and around, after listening to so many singers on this contestant Tarangini 2020, I feel that we have a great group of singers who can really present an evening of, filled with songs from various genres and enlighten, coming days. So please keep your passion going, share your videos with your families, with your friends, with your co-workers, and spread the word that you are singing well. I just want to take this moment to let you know that you are singing well. Don't have hesitations. You might be doubting yourself. I just want to put that out for each and every participant on Tarangini 2020. Now we have a duet by Parimi sisters singing Iktara, a Hindi song from the movie Wake Up Sid of 2009. The lyrics are simple yet with a deep meaning, which are written by Javed Akhtar ji, sung beautifully by Kavita Seth, and the song was composed by trio Shankar Ehsan Loy. One of the most well-made coming-of-age movies in Bollywood, directed by Ayan Mukherjee and produced by Karan Johar. Give it up for Nalini Parimi and Nandini Parimi.
और मनवा तू तो बावरा है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है बावरे, क्यों दिखाए सपने तू सोते जागते, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते, गूंज सा है कोई एक तारा गूंज सा है कोई एक तारा, गूंज सा है कोई एक तारा गूंज सा है कोई एक तारा, धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा, गूंज सा है कोई एक तारा गूंज सा है कोई एक तारा. बुध खो के कोई मैं कहानी, पूरी कहानी है क्या किसे है पता, मैं तो किसी की होके ये भी न जानी, रुत है ये दो पल किया रहेगी सदा। जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा, धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा। कभी कभी जिंदगी हमें ऐसे लोगों से मिला देती है जो बिना कुछ कहे हमें जीने का मतलब सिखा जाते हैं।
Thank you, Parimi sisters, for Ore Manwa Iktara. As we are close to the end of the episode, let's call upon our sixth and last contestant, Ratna Iyer, who is singing a Malayalam song, Moham Kondunyan, from the movie Shesham Karchayil of 1983. This song was sung by our evergreen and ever enthralling voice, Nightingale S. Janaki Amma. With this song in particular, a quality composition by Johnson actually restructured Malayalam film songs. So let's listen to it.
മോഹം കൊണ്ടു ഞാൻ ദൂരേതോ ഈണം പൂത്തനാൾ മധു തേടിപ്പോയി, മോഹം കൊണ്ടു ഞാൻ ദൂരേതോ ഈണം പൂത്തനാൾ മധു തേടിപ്പോയി, നീളേ താഴെ തളിരാർന്നു പൂവനങ്ങൾ, മോഹം കൊണ്ടു ഞാൻ ദൂരേതോ ഈണം
Thank you, Ratna Iyer, and all other contestants who lightened up this evening by taking us back to melodies of yesteryears. Keep watching, keep listening, keep supporting, and keep voting for your favorite singer. This is your host, Aruna, signing off for Tarangini 2020, which is brought to you by Natomas Group.